Kia ora, Mrs. Bennett here again. I hope you're all keeping safe and well like always. Today for our Te Reo Māori lesson, we're going to learn how to say, where is something? That's quite simple. The phrase that you need to know is kei here. Can you say that after me? Kei here. Ka pai. Kei here meaning where. Once you've got that fixed up here in your mind, you can then pair that phrase with other words that you know for objects around your home. You can use the dictionary that you created for yourself last time in our last task board to help you with this. Okay, so for example, kei here te pene. Where is the pen? Kei konei te pene. Here is the pen. Another example. Kei here te hoari. Where is the sword? Kei konei te hoari. Here is the sword. Okay, so I'm going to get my friend Mr. Bennett to help me now to show you some more examples of kei here, where. Kei here te kote.
Kei konei te kote.
Kia ora. Mr. Bennett, kei here te pōtai.
Kei konei te pōtai.
Kia ora. Great, so now you've seen some examples of how to use kei here in context around the home. There is one other thing I would like to tell you though. If you are asking for one object, you would use the word te. Kei here te pene. Where is the one pen? Kei konei te pene, there it is. But if you are asking for more than one object, you would change that word te to ngā. N-G-A, ngā. Can you say that after me? Ngā. Awesome. So instead of saying kei here te pene, you would say kei here ngā pene. Where are all the pens? There they are. Okay. Another example would be kei here ngā hu, because you don't just have one shoe unless you've lost one. Kei konei ngā hu. Here are the shoes. Okay, I'm going to get Mr. Bennett to help me again with some examples of using kei here ngā. Mr. Bennett, kei here ngā hiripi.
Kei konei ngā hiripi.
Kia ora. Mr. Bennett, kei here ngā ki.
Kei konei ngā ki.
Kia ora. Awesome. Now you've seen some examples of how to use kei here te and kei here ngā around your home. I would encourage you to use this phrase as much as possible. If you are looking for something in the kitchen, kei here te pereti. Where is the plate? Kei here ngā ngaihi. Where are all the knives? Kei here te kai. Where is the food? Use it as much as you can. You can complete the Google Doc that I'm going to put with this lesson to help you remember some of these phrases, but the best way to remember these phrases is to use them. Use them, use them, use them as much as you can. I would love to see some examples of how you're using these phrases in the home. If you want to take a video or if you want to take some pictures of you using these phrases, that would be awesome. Ka pai. Okay, if there is anything in particular that you would like to learn in Te Reo Māori, flick me an email and I will more than happily do a lesson on it. Ka kite anō. Bye for now.